Welcome to the Quiz Network's Ultimate General Knowledge Quiz. You'll face 40 multiple-choice questions across geography, history, science, and film and TV. Are you a genius like Albert Einstein, or will you get a Homer Simpson score? Post your score in the comments section. Let's go! Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Is it France, Italy, or China? The answer is Italy. It has the most sites, followed by China and Germany. What is the capital of Australia? Is it Canberra, Sydney, or Melbourne? The correct answer is Canberra, named as the capital in 1913. What is the only sea without a coastline? Is it Caspian Sea, Dead Sea, or the Sargasso Sea? The correct answer is the Sargasso Sea, a region of the Atlantic Ocean bounded by 4 currents. Which country has the most pyramids? Is it Egypt, Mexico, or Sudan? The correct answer is Sudan. While Egypt is famous for its pyramids, Sudan boasts a larger number. Which river is the longest in the world? Is it Amazon, Nile, or Yangtze? The correct answer is the River Nile, stretching approximately 6,650 kilometers. What is the flattest country in the world? Is it the Netherlands, the Maldives, or Denmark? The answer is the Maldives, with the highest point being only 2.4 meters, 8 feet above sea level. What is the world's highest capital city? Is it La Paz, Bolivia, Quito, Ecuador, or Bogota, Colombia? It's La Paz, Bolivia, sitting 3,650 meters above sea level. Which place has the highest average annual rainfall in the world? Is it Amazon rainforest, Brazil, Mawsynram, India, or Borneo, Asia? The answer is Mawsynram, India, the wettest place on Earth. What is the largest ocean in the world? Is it Atlantic, Indian, or Pacific? It's the Pacific Ocean, the deepest ocean and the largest water mass on Earth. Which country has the most active volcanoes overall? Is it Japan, Indonesia, or Iceland? The answer is Indonesia, with 129 active volcanoes among its total of 147. Which pharaoh is credited as the builder of the Great Pyramid of Giza? Is it Ramses II, Tutankhamun, or Khufu? It's Khufu, the first Egyptian king to build a pyramid in Giza around 2550 BC. What caused the destruction of Pompeii? Is it earthquake, volcanic eruption, or invasion? The answer is volcanic eruption caused by the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. What revolution began in 1789, sparked by social inequality, financial crisis, and political factors? Is it American, French, or Russian? It was the French Revolution, lasting 10 years and ending in 1799. Who invaded and conquered the Persian Empire? Was it Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great, or Hannibal? It was Alexander the Great, defeating the Persians in 334 BC. Which nation gave the Statue of Liberty to the US? Was it France, Spain, or England? It was France, in recognition of the alliance between France and the US during the American Revolution. Who was the first leader of the Soviet Union? Joseph Stalin, Leon Trotsky, or Vladimir Lenin? It was Vladimir Lenin. He was the first leader of the Soviet Union from 1917 until his death in 1924. Who was the first woman to travel in space, spending more than 70 hours orbiting the Earth? Was it Sally Ride, Mae Jemison, or Valentina Tereshkova? It was Valentina Tereshkova, making history on June 16, 1963. When did the first ancient Olympic Games take place? Was it 500 BC, 776 BC, or 300 AD? The answer is 776 BC, in Olympia, southern Greece, to honor Zeus. Which civilization invented writing? Cuneiform, the Sumerians, Egyptians, or Greeks? It was the Sumerians, in present-day Iraq, using wedge-shaped reed styluses on clay tablets. Who was the first emperor of Rome? Was it Julius Caesar, Augustus, or Nero? Augustus, transforming Rome from a republic into an empire, reigning from 27 BC. How many bones are in the adult human body? Is it 206, 300, or 150? There are 206 bones in the human body, making up on average 14% of body weight. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Is it Ag, Au, or Fe? It's Au from the Latin word aurum, meaning shining dawn, reflecting its radiant color and historical value. What is the largest organ in the human body? Is it skin, liver, or brain? The correct answer is skin. It covers the entire external surface of the body. What is the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth? Is it quartz, tungsten, or diamond? It's diamond. It achieves this hardness due to its unique crystalline structure. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? Was it Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, or Stephen Hawking? It was Albert Einstein, revolutionizing our understanding of space, time, gravity, and the universe. What is the smallest particle of a chemical element? Is it molecule, ion, or atom? It's an atom, a positive nucleus, protons and neutrons, at the center, surrounded by much lighter negative electrons. What is the largest living bird, both in terms of height and weight? Is it an eagle, ostrich, or albatross? It's an ostrich, reaching heights of up to 9 feet and weighing 346 pounds. What is the smallest unit of computer memory? Is it byte, bit, or kilobyte? It's a bit. A bit represents a single binary value, which can be either 0 or 1. What is the rarest blood type in humans? Is it AB negative, O negative, or B positive? The answer is AB negative, making up only 1% of the donor population. Which animal can regrow its limbs? Is it frog, snake, or starfish? It's a starfish. Axolotls and lobsters can also regrow limbs by forming cells that rebuild complex structures. Which film was the first to feature a fully CGI main character? Was it Terminator 2, Toy Story, or Young Sherlock Holmes? It was Young Sherlock Holmes in 1985. The character was a knight made of stained glass. What was the first horror movie to win Best Picture at the Oscars? The Exorcist, The Silence of the Lambs, or Psycho? It was The Silence of the Lambs at the 64th Oscars in 1992. Which movie won the first ever Best Animated Feature Oscar? Shrek, Monsters, Inc., or Spirited Away? It was Shrek. Shrek beat contenders like Monsters, Inc. to claim the inaugural award. What year was Netflix founded? Was it 2005, 1997, or 2001? It was back in 1997, starting out as a DVD rental service. What was the first feature-length animated film? Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Fantasia, or Pinocchio? It was Disney's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs in 1937, revolutionizing animation. Who was the first female superhero to get her own movie? Is it Wonder Woman, Supergirl, or Catwoman? The answer is Supergirl, superhero movie starring Helen Slater in 1984. Life is Like a Box of Chocolates is from the movie Big, Forrest Gump, or The Green Mile. This phrase is from Forrest Gump. Forrest's mother uses it to explain life to you. What was Pixar's first feature film? Toy Story, A Bug's Life, or Monsters, Inc.? The answer is Toy Story, released in 1995, Pixar's first fully computer-animated feature film. Which actor played the villain in the first Die Hard movie? Was it William Sadler, Alan Rickman, or Robert Englund? Played by Alan Rickman, making his film debut as villain Hans Gruber opposite Bruce Willis in 1988. Which movie was the first to gross over $1 billion worldwide? Is it James Cameron's Titanic, Steven Spielberg's Jurassic Park, or George Lucas's Star Wars Episode I? It's Titanic, achieving this milestone on March 1st, 1998. And that's quiz complete. 40 questions done. How did you do? Be honest and share your score in the comments. If you enjoy testing your knowledge, hit subscribe and join the Quiz Network for more quizzes just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll challenge you again soon.